Ever seen a rider make a split-second error that almost cost them their life? Trust me, I have. Today, we're digging into the rookie mistakes that could be the difference between a fun ride and a fatal misadventure. Stick around, these tips might just save your life on two wheels. Hey riders, I'm Instructor Cory, and I've taught thousands of students how to ride motorcycles safely. And today we're tearing into the mistakes many of us make as beginners. From skipping critical checks to overestimating your skills in traffic, these are pitfalls that can transform your ride into a real-life lesson no one wants to learn. Let's break it down. Mistake number 1, skipping a proper pre-ride inspection. It might seem like a hassle, but checking your tire pressure, chain tension, brakes, and fluid levels is non-negotiable. A loose bolt or worn tire is a recipe for disaster when you least expect it. Take those extra minutes. It's your life on the line. And don't just do the pre-ride check before you start out on your motorcycle ride. Get in the habit of doing a pre-ride check every time you're about to get on your bike. That means if you stop at a gas station, restaurant, something like that, give your bike a once-over before you hop back on and start riding again. Mistake number 2. Now that we've gone over our pre-ride check, next up we have improper braking. Many new riders either slam on the brakes in a panic or rely solely on the front brake, which can lead to a dangerous skid. And some riders are too scared to use the front brake at all. Instead, you want to learn to use smooth and progressive pressure when using your brakes. With the front brake, you want to continue to increase the pressure until you stop, and with the rear brake, you actually want to lighten up on your pressure as you come to your stop. Practice these techniques in a safe space until it becomes second nature. Trust me, the road will always throw the unexpected at you. Mistake number 3. Now that we've done some practice with our braking techniques, we need to understand that riding isn't a street race, and overconfidence is a rookie's worst enemy. It's easy to think you're invincible on a shiny, fast bike, but the truth is, every mile on the road is a lesson in humility. Build your skills gradually. Each challenge conquered makes you a wiser, safer rider. A good lesson I learned long ago from a motorcycle instructor was to try and fill up your bag of skill before you empty your bag of luck. Mistake number 4. Now that we've got our ego in check, another common error is poor body positioning, especially in turns. This is a mistake that gets a lot of riders killed almost every day when riding through curves, and there's nobody else to blame except the rider and their inexperience. Relying solely on your bike without using your body's balance can make you lose control when it matters most. Instead, lean into the turn, align your body with your bike, and always keep your eyes on the exit of the curve. It's all about fluid movement and trust in your mechanics. And no, I'm not talking about those shady guys at Tri-City Cycles. These are the techniques you need to learn and practice regularly to make sure you're always prepared for the road. Mistake number 5. Now that we've got a little body position added in, finally, you never want to underestimate the power of defensive riding. Trusting that other drivers will always do their part is a risky gamble, and one that usually doesn't pay off. How many times have you seen other motorists around you make a mistake? Or maybe you've even made a mistake here and there. It happens. Always stay alert for unexpected hazards, from distracted drivers to sudden road obstructions. Your best defense is anticipation. Look beyond your lane, predict potential danger, and ride with caution. If you can predict and anticipate the worst-case scenario up ahead before you ride your motorcycle into it, you'll be much safer and better off and ready to react sooner. These rookie mistakes aren't just lessons. They're building blocks for a safer ride. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and push your skills further. That's why wearing full protective gear is so important, so you have the ability to make mistakes, survive them, get back up, and try again. Remember, riding is a journey, not a sprint. If you found these tips valuable, hit the like button, share your own stories and any mistakes you might have made in the comments, and subscribe to the channel to join our community of riders who are passionate about learning and evolving every day. But what if you live and ride in a state like Colorado that has a lane filtering law and you're not quite sure how it works and what mistakes you might be making when trying to ride responsibly? Well, then watch this video next for a full explanation of Colorado's motorcycle lane filtering law, so you can finally get the facts straight and be safer out on the road.